In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Wix website load faster. Did you know that a slow website can have a direct impact on user experience and your overall engagement? Thankfully, enhancing the speed of your Wix site is within reach, and I'm here to guide you through it. Let's start by understanding our current site speed. On your Wix dashboard, navigate to Analytics and Reports and then Site Speed. Alternatively, you can assess your site using Google PageSpeed Insights by visiting pagespeed.web.dev. Be sure to take note of both your desktop and mobile scores, as these will provide valuable benchmarks for measuring your improvements later. Now, one of the biggest culprits for slow loading sites is large images. To tackle this, use Wix's built-in image optimization, which automatically compresses images. When uploading, choose JPEG for photos and PNG or WebP for graphics. Remember to resize images before they upload. Keeping them under 2000 pixels wide is ideal, and steer clear of using full-size images as backgrounds. A pro tip here is to go into Wix image settings and adjust the quality to high or medium instead of original. Next up is limiting heavy elements on your site. Avoid cramming your pages with too many videos, animations, or large galleries. Excessive parallax scroll or hover effects can also bog down performance, as can autoplay videos and looping backgrounds. Instead, consider embedding videos from platforms like YouTube or Vimeo and utilize strips or containers rather than multiple overlays. An organized site is a fast site, so let's clean up the structure. Remove any unused pages, apps, or elements, and delete obsolete hidden sections or test pages. It's also wise to scan your custom code settings for scripts you no longer need, as each unnecessary script can add to your loading times. Leverage Wix's automatic support for lazy loading, which ensures elements load only once they become visible on the page. To do this, set your images to Load on Scroll within the Image Settings' Advanced tab. Opt for optimizing fonts next. External and decorative fonts can slow down a site, so stick with Wix fonts or system fonts and avoid overwhelming your design with too many custom fonts. 2 to 3 fonts are usually enough for a professional and speedy site. Wix makes it easy for you by automatically using a content delivery network or CDN and caching. These features rapidly deliver and reload your content, so simply republish after major edits to refresh these settings. Let's also simplify your design by reducing the number of strips per page and limiting transitions to keep your homepage responsive with 5 to 7 sections max. Excess content can be moved to subpages. As you consider your site's apps, remember each one introduces additional load time. Keep only the apps that are absolutely essential for your site's function and remove any extras via the dashboard under Manage Apps. Finally, always check your mobile optimization by switching to Mobile View in the Wix editor. This will let you resize hefty images, hide non-essential sections, and minimize heavy animations, key strategies given that mobile visitors expect rapid loading, ideally in under 3 seconds. By the end of these steps, it's important to save, publish, and test your site again using Google PageSpeed Insights or GTmetrix. Compare your new scores against the initial results to see the impact of your optimizations. Congratulations, you're now well on your way to a faster, more efficient Wix